Streamer, and today I'm going to talk about how many words per content is right on Facebook. The main thing that you should remember is when writing on Facebook, it's important to keep it very short and concise because people won't like to read a lot on Facebook, so they'll literally get bored because we love scrolling, right? So yeah, you have to keep it short and concise on Facebook. So you may ask, what is the exact ideal length of a Facebook post content? So the ideal length that is will be within 40 to 80 characters. So you will see the post that has 40 characters or less get much more engagement than post that has a lot of text, even though it's not exactly the same thing for a lot of brands, because you may find few brands who are using 10 character but getting great engagement, or maybe a brand that is using 400 character but still getting great engagement over there as well. So it all depends, but the ideal length of a Facebook post can be within 40 to 80 characters. So that is how you increase engagement. And when you see the posts that are within 40 characters or less, it gets more than 80 to 86% engagement. So that is how you need to basically test and see what works the best for your brand, and that's how you increase your engagement and reach. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.